Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Morning, students. Today we'll start with the length of intercepts made on the axis by the tangents, right? So let me put the headings. Theory, tangents, and normal. Today we are going to discuss length of intercepts, length of intercepts made on axis by tangents, right? So first we'll write equation of tangent, equation of tangent at any point, equation of tangent at any point x1 y1 to the curve y is equals to f of x is y minus y1 is equals to dy by dx x1 and y1 minus of x1. This is the first. Second, equation of x-axis means y is equals to 0. So this is the second equation of y-axis means x is equals to 0. This is the third. So these are the three equations. First, what we have taken equation of tangent at any point x1 y1 to the curve y is equals to fx is y minus y1 is equals to dy by dx x1 y1 and x of x minus x1, which is the equation 1. Equation 2, for the equation of x-axis, we will consider y is equals to 0. Similarly, for the equation 3, equation of y-axis, we will consider x is equals to 0. Right? So first, we copy these three equations, then we'll move to the next. So now, solving this equation 1 and 2, we can write this is our A, this is our B, and the curve is P of x1 and y1. This is O, this is x, and this is y. So we can write x is equals to x1 minus of x is equals to x1 minus of y1 dy by dx x1 and y1. So here x is intercept we can write OA is equals to x minus y1 dy by dx x1 minus x1 and y1 x1 and the y1. So similarly, if we go for similarly we go for equation 1 and 3. Okay, for the y intercept, for the y intercept, so we will get OB is equals to y1 minus x1 dy by dx x1 and y1. So the length of intercept made by the normal on the x-axis. So the length of intercept made by normal on x-axis is x1 plus y1 dy by dx, and length of intercept on y-axis is equals to y1 plus means y1 minus x1 dy by dx x1 and y1, right? Copied. Mm, this will be plus plus, sorry, this will be plus. Okay, I think you this is, I think you already copied, right? So now let's look at an example. The tangent at any point, the tangent at any point on the curve x4 plus y4 is equals to a4 cuts off intercept P and Q on a coordinate axis, then value of P minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 Q 4 by 3 is equals to what? This question we need to solve. So this x minus x fx equals to 0. X minus x 4x cube plus y minus y 4y cube is equals to 0. Or we can write x cube plus 4y y cube is equals to x4 plus y4 is equals to a4. So this is our equation 1. So if intercepts are P and Q, means P0 and 0Q, which lie on the or equation 1. So what we will get? We will get Px cube is equals to a4 q y cube is equals to a4 p minus 4 by 3 plus q minus of 4 by 3 is equals to a4 and minus of 4 by 3 and x4 plus y4. So finally what we will get x minus 16 by 3 dot a4 is equals to a minus 4 by 3. So yes, this is our answer. What we have done, the tangents, question is asking the tangents at any point of the curve x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equals to a to the power 4. Cuts off intercept P and Q on the coordinate axis. Then the value of P minus 4 by 3 plus Q minus 4 by 3 is equals to what? Right? So x minus x f of x plus y minus y f of y is equals to 0. So x minus x for x cube plus y minus y for y cube is equals to 0. That means xx cube plus 4y cube is equals to x4 plus y4 is equals to a to the power 4. So it means if the intercepts are p and q for the both p0 and the q0, which is lie on the equation 1. So we will get px is equals to a4, qy3 is equals to a4. Right, since it is the power 4. So p to the power minus 4 by 3 plus q to the power minus 4 by 3 will be equals to a to the power 4 and to the power minus 4 by 3. Similarly, x4 plus y4. So finally, what we will get? A to the power minus 16 by 3 into a to the power 4. Solving this, you will get a to the power minus 4 by 3. So this is little bit a tough question. Means approaches to the advanced pattern as well. But should solve few questions of this type also. Next is at a point a by 8, a by 8 on the curve x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 is equals to a to the power 1 by 3, where a is greater than 0. Tangent is drawn. Tangent is drawn. Now, the tangent is the length of a tangent. The length of tangent between is the length of tangent between axis b of length axis b of length under root 2, then a equals. This is also a nice problem. So first we will write slope of tangent is, which is minus f of xy, which becomes minus x minus 2 by 3 divided by y to the power minus 2 by 3. So that is equals to minus y by x power 2 by 3, which is equals to minus 1 at a by 8 and by 8. Right? Now the tangent is y minus a by 8 is equals to minus 1 x minus a by 8, or we can say x plus y is equals to a by 4. Right? So now if we go for its intercept, so its intercepts on axis are a is equals to this a by 4, and similarly b will be a by 4, right? So for the point on a by 8 as well as the second point, which is also a by 8 on the curve, so the given equation is x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 is equals to a to the power 1 by 3, where condition is a greater than 0. So we have drawn the tangent. So the portion of tangent intercepted between the axes. So let me write portion of tangent intercepted between the axes will be under root of a square plus b square, and which is equals to under root 2, right? So here the equation will become a square by 16 plus a square by 16, because both the given points are in terms of a. In the question which is given a by 8 and the a by 8. Okay, so this equals 2, right? So a square is equals to 16. So a will become plus minus 4, and we have to consider the positive point. So a is equals to 4. It means if you go for the options, so here option number 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So now you can copy the question, the solution. So this is the question related to the given points where both the points are equal and given in terms of same variable. Okay. Yeah, same variable. Okay. So let's take one more question. Let me write the question first. equation is x square plus bx minus of b, and this time points are 1 1, points are same. Okay, and the coordinate axis, coordinate axis lies in first quadrant. Okay, so if it's area is 2, then value of b is, options are -1, 3, -3, and 1. So the question is, a triangle formed by the tangent to the curve fx. The equation is x square minus x square plus of bx minus of b at the point 1 1. Need to remember points are same, and the coordinate axis lies in the first quadrant, and if its area is 2, then we need to find the value of b. Okay, so here first we will differentiate. Okay, so that means dy by dx is equals to 2x plus b, right? If we differentiate the given function x square plus bx minus b, so we will get 2x plus b. So that means 2 plus b at 1 1. We can put 1 at the place of x, right? So we'll get 2 plus b. So this is our required point. Okay. So now if we go for the equation of tangent, which is y minus 1 is equals to 2 plus b and x minus 1, right? Because 2 plus b, we have got the slope here. 2 plus b is the slope because this is dy by dx, right? So its intercepts a and b on the axis are obtained by putting y equals to 0 and then x equals to, that means the given equation with terms of this m slope y minus 1 is equals to 2 plus b and x minus 1, so which holds a is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2b, 2 plus b. Okay, with the formula which we are using, yeah, with the formula. So that means b plus 1 divided by b plus 2, right? B plus 1 divided by b plus 2. Now in the next step we will go for the b value, so that is 1 minus 2 plus of small b, so that is minus b plus 1, right? So triangle half AB, so that is 2, which is given. Area of triangle is half AB, where total area is 2 is given. So we can write AB will be 4. Okay, can set this AB this side and 2 this side. So you'll get AB is equals to 4. So finally, minus B plus 1 and B plus 1, which is equals to 4 of B plus of 2, right? So B square plus 6B plus 9 is equals to 0. So this is quadratic. So we can write b plus 3 whole square is equals to 0. So here two values you will get, b is equals to plus minus 3. Okay, so therefore plus we can't consider because we are not taking that quadrant. Okay, so our final value will be b is equals to minus 3. B is equals to minus of 3, right? So this is also the question similar to previous one, but the concept is of tangents to the curve, where the triangle area is given and we need to find the this value of b, where we have some function is given, right? So by the function area is given, we need to find the variable in that function, right? Okay, so copy this part also. Next is the length of perpendicular from origin to tangent. Okay, so the equation of tangent at point P x1 y1, that means y minus y1 is equals to dy by dx of P x minus of x1. So length of perpendicular from 0 0, that will be fx is P, fx is P, which is equals to y1 minus x1 dy by dx divided by under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, right? Similarly, the length of perpendicular from origin to normal is p dash. That means p dash is equals to x1 plus y1 dy by dx divided by under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, right? So this is all about the length of perpendicular from the origin to the tangents. Okay, so with this we are going to wind up the session here. Okay, so we will start the next class. Okay, so first copy this. Okay guys, so thank you.